We're on a site just north of Middlebury, building the 370 line between West Rutland and the New Haven substation that's currently under construction. What we have going on today is we have poles being set and we have airframing being conducted. Air 2 is a company that specializes in helicopter work, in this case framing utility poles. They have a group of 5 individuals, 1 pilot and 4 linemen, that will carry the material into areas that are hard to access. They drop off the men on the poles, nothing touches the ground, everything is carried in. Air 2 is cost effective when we're trying not to disturb areas. When we use mats, it adds a large amount of cost to the job as well as time in order to be careful and get in without disturbing the environment. Air 2 allows us to go in and surgically build the structures, even install rollers and stringing line without affecting the environment whatsoever. I've been doing line work for 30 years and in several states. This project is the most restrictive that I've ever worked in. We all understand the importance of the natural resources of Vermont and protecting those. We very carefully installed flags and stakes delineating where the construction activities can take place. This is a very important precaution that we've done for this project due to the sensitive areas to make sure that we're where we're supposed to be and doing the work in the right manner.
Three-phase line construction became involved with Velco approximately a year and a half ago through a bid process of a project they had in Coventry, Vermont. 6 months ago, we were contacted to take a look at this project, and we presented a proposal to Velco to perform this work, and we had some innovative ideas to reduce the environmental impact on the project. The use of the helicopter plays a very vital role in the completion of this project. We just framed a complete structure in 1 hour and 58 minutes, which if you take into consideration doing the matting and the heavy equipment, there's a monetary cost savings as well as the environmental impact. Three-phase line construction and Air 2 combined as a team are very sensitive to the environmental concerns of our customer. And at heart, I think we're all environmentalists. We want to leave a good footprint behind us and good public relations.
Air 2 is a specialty helicopter operator that's subcontracted to three-phase line construction for the NRP project for Velco. The helicopter is a good way to get the men to the work without disturbing the environment. It makes no difference what's beneath the structure, whether it's a swamp or an archaeological site, environmental site. We have no disturbance to that property whatsoever.
Concern for the environment continues after construction crews move on. The land is groomed, grasses are planted, landscape screening is put in place, and a vegetation management program is begun. On the Northwest Reliability Project alone, over $1 million will be spent on aesthetic mitigation. Velco is proud of its environmental stewardship, as evidenced in these innovative construction techniques and the extensive efforts the company is taking to minimize impact on the environment.